BSc 10 Maths. This is my sister Tina Lovers. She teaches 8 Maths. Alright, now let's jump into the video.
Today we are going to be learning exercise 4.1 first question, second subdivision. Alright, now let's read the question. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. So we are supposed to check whether it is a quadratic equation or not by using the standard form. Okay, so this is the second subdivision. So here when you just look at the second subdivision, here we have a variable and of course the coefficient and those stuffs, but here when you just look at it, we have brackets and we have minus 2 in the bracket. Here we have 3 minus x inside the bracket. Am I right? Of course it is a common thing, but here as you guys know, if it is a bracket then we can just multiply it. So we can just multiply minus 2 with 3 as well as minus 6. So after multiplying it, so we can just simplify it and we can move on to the step ahead. Okay, so first of all, now what we are going to do is we are going to be writing x square minus 2x as it is. This one I am going to be writing it as it is. So it is x square minus 2x is equal to, so here I have minus 2 inside the bracket. So as you guys know, as I told you guys, minus 2 it's in the bracket, we can just multiply with 3 as well as minus x. So we can just multiply 3 as well as minus x. Okay, why? Because it is inside the bracket, so we can just multiply it. So first of all, let's multiply the numbers and then we can just multiply the sign. Okay, so here we have 2, here we have 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. And what about the sign? Here we have minus sign, here 3 has plus sign. So here signs also we are supposed to multiply it. Okay, why? Because it is inside the bracket. So minus into plus is minus, so it is minus 6. Okay, so now we are supposed to multiply minus 2 with minus 6. Okay, so first of all let's multiply 2 and x. Okay, so 2 into x is 2x and minus into minus is plus. Okay, so now it is plus 2x. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are going to be writing x square minus 2x as it is, and we are going to be getting these terms to the left side. It's gonna cross this is equal to, then it changes its sign. Am I right? So here it is minus 6. When I get it to the left side, it changes into plus 6, and here it is plus 2x. When I get it to the right left side, it changes into minus 2x. Okay, it's coming to the left side. Okay, that's why it's changing its sign. If it is crossing this is equal to, then of course we are sure that it will change its sign. So now it is equal to 0, is equal to 0. So now when you just look at it, here we are going to be finding the like terms. Like terms means which is having the same variables. Okay, so first we have x square. So when you just look at it, we don't have a x square term. Next one we have x term. So here we have x term. When you just look at it, we have another x term right over here. So we can just solve it. Am I right? So we shall solve it. First of all, we shall write this x square as it is. And then now we are going to be solving minus 2x and minus 2x. Okay, so first of all let's do the signs, that is minus and minus is plus. So as you guys know, minus and minus is plus, we are going to be adding 2x plus 2x. Okay, first of all when we just add 2x plus 2x, we get 4x. Am I right? Why? Because 2 plus 2 is 4 and the variable as it is. So here which is the greatest number? So here we have the coefficient, that is 2. Here also we have a coefficient, that is 2. Okay, so both has minus symbol and that too both are similar value. So we can just put minus, and then here we have plus 6, that is a constant term. We can just write it as it is equal to 0. Okay, now we got x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so finally we got it. So here also when you just check it out, we can't just solve it. Why? Because we don't have the like terms right over here. So we can just stop it right over here. Okay, so here when you just look at this, we are going to be comparing this equation with the standard form. Okay, as you guys know, we can't just solve it, we can't just move to the next step. Why? Because we don't have any values to solve it. So we are going to be comparing it with the standard form. Okay, so what is the standard form? So the standard form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a it is not equal to 0. Okay. So, we are going to be comparing this standard form, then only we can just conclude it is a quadratic equation or not. Okay. So, if according to the standard form, first we have ax square. So, we have the x square term, here also we have the x square term, next we have plus bx. So, here we have x term, here also we have the x term, and then plus c. So, as you guys know, c is a constant term, am I right? So, when you just compare here, here also we have 6, that is a constant term, and here one more rule we have, that is a it should not be equal to 0. So, here the a value is 1, am I right? The coefficient here it is 1. So, of course, it is not equal to 0. So, we can just write that it is a quadratic equation. Why? Because we just checked with the standard form. Okay. So, we can just write, hence it is a quadratic equation. Finally, we just solved it. Okay.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share it to your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, you can comment me in the comment section. You can find my videos in the playlist. You can also find my sister Tina's videos in the playlist. Catch you in the next video. Bye.